Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and as you can see, we're not in the garage tonight. We're up in Grafton at the church where I used to play baseball. I used to coach baseball. All the baseball fields are gone now, and it's Our Lady of the Queen of Peace Church, and it brought back a lot of memories as my car sat in about right field on, I think, field number 3. But here's some of the sights and sounds from up at the church. It was a little bit of a Oktoberfest theme tonight. A lot of fun.
Okay, we got to get this at the Chevelle show. Can you imagine the woohoo girls and these things? That would be absolutely hilarious. So maybe I get this guy's card, see what's going on. Rick and I are up here in Grafton, and they put a balloon up just for our car show tonight. Pretty cool. Say goodbye to Uncle Chick.
See you, Chick.